Good morning. I've been awake for about an hour now, and it's my third day on the boat, my friend's boat, and yeah, I'm just bumming around on my phone and figuring out what to do for the day. I took a nice photo of a heron bird over in the middle of the screen, and here is the photo. Yep, so I actually took the photo using my 150 to 600mm lens, which is here. It's on a Canon 6D body, and it's a 4.5 to 6 f-stop, I think. Don't quote me on that though. So yeah, I've also got a where is it? Or I also have a Sony. I also have a cute little Sony camera here, which is a Sony A5000. I picked it up about 3 weeks ago, and it comes with the 16 to 50 or 55mm lens. And yeah, I've been actually using the Canon, I've been using the Sony camera, actually more so lately, which is quite surprising. So this is the 55 to 210mm, and it's a 4.5 to 6.3. It's a cute little lens, and yeah, it came with it actually came with 3 batteries. Although the third battery is a bit dodgy. The third battery shows 74%, and then it goes down to like 45%, and then 40%, and then it just dies. So it's not bad, yeah, so I've just had my morning coffee, which is a Nescafe, and I've been using a cool little gas burner that I brought in New Zealand, and I purchased it for $45 in New Zealand, bro. And it comes with a cool little handle here, so then you can just take it off and chuck it back on. Quite like it. Like this. And this is the view that I have. Can you focus? Yes, you can, kind of. There you go. Yeah, I'm very, very, very grateful to be able to stay on the boat. And I get to throw this outside too onto the water because it's biodegradable. So that's about it. Oh, and this is where I sleep. Been sleeping here for the last couple of nights. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on what happens in the next few days. Peace.